Today's 2-minute tech tip will be on creating animated GIFs from your Google slide presentation. So there's a website here called talltweets.com, and it's very quick and easy to use. Let's say that you have already created a Google slide presentation, and all you need to do is to pull that in. When you click on choose presentation, let's see, I'm going to choose that one, and I select it. It will ask you to connect those two accounts first. Once you've selected, it will pull it up. You will decide how many pixels you want yours to be. I'm going to choose 500. And how many seconds you want each slide to last on the animated GIF. I'm going to choose 6 seconds. And if your presentation is very long and you just want to make it a quick GIF of like 3 slides, you can just put those. If you leave it blank, it will include them all. This is only a 4-slide presentation. So once it has created it says created, and then I can either save the GIF, tweet the GIF, or I can go back and change. And you notice right here that it's going through that. So if I go to save, it will download it. And then I can open up a presentation in Google Slides. I'm just going to start a brand new one here. And if I want to pull this download in, once I present, you will see that GIF go from one slide to the next. Hope you enjoyed this tip. Let me know if you need any help.